Alisa just woke up.
Dito naman.
We just arrived here at Paradise Valley at our campsite, and Daddy is setting up our tent. And you know what? It's raining. We're gonna melt. Are you okay, Alisa? Wait, okay? Mommy and Daddy. Oh, what's that? Oh, you got. Oh, no. Wait, thank you. Oh, one. Tita Grace, look what you've done.
Sumabog.
Ginamit ni Alisa. Tingnan mo yung lips ni Alisa.
Make your lips.
Let's see. Oh, Alisa used this tita's
Kasi ng Grace
lipstick.
nito. Dala-dala ng lipstick sa... sa gubat.
May tissue? Mamaya natanggalin, no?
Kina ako din.
Dadaya nyo. Kanina ko pa kayo binibideo. How about me? Where's my face? I don't exist in this video because I'm the camera woman, video woman, whatever.